What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got a new work truck. It's a 91 Nissan hardbody. The tires were bad, so we found these as a deal on Marketplace. Today's project is to take these fender flares off, re-drill these hangers. We're gonna go back half an inch and up 2 inches. Should give the truck about a 2-inch drop, but we're gonna be installing some add leaves that I had from my old truck. So in theory, it's gonna go down 2 inches and then come back up 2 inches. In theory. So yeah, that's today's project. I gotta do it today because tomorrow I'm picking up a ton of cabinets. Again, this is my work truck. It's not gonna be a full-fledged project. I don't want it to be. It's just a new daily and it's to haul material and stuff. Just like that, we got the 3/4 holes drilled. That took some time because I had to find the right system in drilling it to find what bits I should use first, and I ended up going through all the damn bits in my case. So yeah, next unbolt this bolt. We're gonna get rid of this already. We got new bolts. This slides right through like that. These are 3/4 inch bolts, 4 inches long, and yeah, it's gonna sit a bit higher. Then we're gonna be doing the add leaf and changing the blocks. Also gonna be taking this out, whatever this is. We're gonna be taking out this bump stop and putting a low profile bump stop. We have the front of the truck up now. We're gonna be changing the front shocks, putting some shorter shocks. These shocks right here are off of a Chrysler or whatever, I don't know. I'll put the part numbers in the description below. But yeah, look how much shorter this shock body is. So we won't be bottoming out the shock anymore. But the thing with this shock is you're gonna have to run it inverted. Instead of the body being on the bottom, the body's gonna be on the top. And you're gonna have to drill out this hole. This hole comes factory already on the lower control arm. These two bottom shock brackets, you just gotta widen or pry outwards so you can, so the bushings can fit in between. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. I did the passenger side already. This is the driver's side. Damn, we gotta change these pretty soon too. Then crank the torsions down and pull the truck out. Not sure if you guys can see it on camera. It's kind of the lighting's kind of bad. And just like that, pretty easy. Okay, now we're gonna crank the torsions down and yeah, put the truck on the ground. So this right here is the torsion bar key. This is the torsion bar. It runs all the way to here. Instead of springs on the front suspension, it's this bar that has tension. So if you turn this, if you loosen this, it yeah, drops the truck. You loosen this bolt, it goes that way. The bar turns this way, whatever. The lower control arm, yeah, all of that. See right there, it's connected to the lower control arm. But yeah, we already loosened both sides a little bit. Just gotta drop the truck, and these are this right here is the rear. Also got an air shock installed, but yeah, this is a 3/4 inch bolt I got locally from a nut and bolt place. It's 4.5 inches, 3/4 thick. I forget what the thread pitch was, but yeah, we just gotta cut this off on both sides, and the drop is done. We are gonna be installing these Frontier mirrors on a Nissan hardbody. I got these off of Marketplace for cheap. The reason why we're putting the Frontier mirrors in is because both of these mirrors that are on the truck rattle, and it irritates the shit out of me. These are the tools you're gonna need: panel popper or something to pull a crank off, the window crank, a screwdriver or a screw gun, and something to cut metal with. Oops. So we go ahead and take off the window cranker. There's 2 screws in here somewhere. It's not. It just doesn't want to come out. Oh, there it is. Take out these 2 screws. If you have speakers, take your speaker off. These are just cheap $20 Pioneers that I got off of Amazon. You can go ahead and cut these tweeters off because I installed them and they blew as soon as I installed them. So yeah, there's this little hole here. That's fine. Take the panel popper, pop the cover off the inside door handle, then go ahead and pop these off. Where is it? Now we go ahead and take the mirror off. It's just 3 screws. Just like that, it's off. Oops. The hard body mirrors are just 3 posts. The Frontier one has this block, so we gotta cut this thing out. See this right here? We gotta cut this off. We also gotta cut this screw right here. Test fit. And just like that, you got Frontier mirrors. The mirrors are installed. They're folding too, but yeah, they're not power, so I just force them into place. And this is the passenger side. Same thing, not powered. Or here it is. This is how she sits. Gotta take those cheap ass underglows off, but yep, it's all right. Nothing rubs, nothing. Well, the wheels rub the front wheels rub the top, but that's it. It's a little look truck. Yeah, that's it guys. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.